Hi, welcome. I wanted to show you how to use Driftless Glassworks' new jump ring holder. So I have this little honeycomb sun catcher ready to go, and the jump ring holder solves so many problems. So instead of having to hold my jump ring with a pliers and then try to dip over to my solder and then go back and forth and hope that the jump ring doesn't slip, we now have a solution for that problem. So this little jump ring holder, you can turn the clasp here 90 degrees. You can bring it up to the desired height that you want. There's a little thumb screw on the back that will lock it in place. You can pin it down on your work surface so it won't move, and it'll keep your jump ring steady when you are trying to solder that on. So that solves so many problems with just this little tool here. So I'm going to pin my jump ring holder in place, and then I will scoot that out of the way. Put a ring in there, and then I need to figure out the right height. So this is too low, so I'm going to raise it up a little bit, and then that should be about perfect. So I'll tighten my jump ring thumb screw here, holder thumb screw. Oh, that's still a little too tall, so I'm going to put it back down a little bit. There we go, it's perfect there. Okay, I'm going to pin my piece in place also so that doesn't move. Okay, I need to flex my jump ring. I haven't done that yet. And now I have hands free. I can put my solder dots on here. And that's it. I can check out the back side. Make sure this isn't hot to the touch. Tip that over. There's a little ball of solder. Scoot that out of the way. And then I will reattach. Pin my piece back into place. And I put a little bit more flux back on the back side. And that's it. I can take it all apart, take a look at it. Easy as can be. So a jump ring attached in less than 4 minutes. That's it. I'd say this tool is super handy. If you wanted to turn the jump ring holder clasp, all you have to do is take the piece apart here. So unscrew that thumb screw. You can pull out the center. There's a Phillips head screwdriver tip there. So I'm going to loosen that up. And rotate this 90 degrees here. I'll need to tighten that screw back up. Slide it back into the channel. Put the thumb screw back in. And now it's ready to do any type of jump ring or wire ring holder that you are trying to use. Works with different sizes. The clasp opens pretty wide. Check them out.